Welcome to Review Rumble. The best MagMod Starter Kit is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any photographer looking to elevate their lighting game, offering a simple yet powerful way to modify and control your on-camera flash, transforming ordinary shots into extraordinary visual stories with ease and creativity. Number 5. MagMod MagGrip 2. Meet the MagGrip 2, the next evolution in flash modification. It's smaller, lighter, and more secure than ever before, designed to enhance your photography. This flexible silicone band stretches easily over your flash, ensuring a secure fit. Its patented magnetic modular design allows for quick and customizable lighting setups. It's the essential component for the MagMod system, fitting nearly all standard flashes. You can attach any MagMod modifier you desire, in any order you choose. Designed to work perfectly with the MagBounce system, it provides fast and convenient softbox use. It's optimized for round-head flashes, ensuring a secure fit on almost any hot shoe flash. Enjoy lightning fast, silent modifier changes with its magnetic strength. Say goodbye to noisy Velcro and sticky adhesives. This design is both lightweight and incredibly durable. Crafted from sturdy, highly stretchable silicone, it maintains its elasticity over time. This modifier is built to withstand rigorous use, making it a reliable addition to your gear. What we like. This is the foundational piece for the entire MagMod system. Its universal fit and durable silicone construction ensure it stays securely on almost any flash. If you're looking to start building a versatile lighting setup with magnetic modifiers, this is the essential first step. What people say. The MagMod system is incredibly versatile and allows for quick and easy modification of your flash. The magnetic system is very strong and holds the modifier securely, even when bumped. The quality of the light produced by the MagMod modifiers is excellent, providing soft and even illumination. Number 4. MagMod Starter Flash Diffuser Kit 2. Introducing the MagMod Starter Flash Kit 2, your essential toolkit for elevating flash photography. It includes 3 popular lighting modifiers designed to instantly improve the quality and control of your light. This redesigned kit offers stronger magnets, reduced weight, and optimized performance for round-head flashes. It simplifies your workflow, allowing for fast and secure modifier changes so you can focus on capturing the moment. Designed for portability without sacrificing performance, each piece is perfect for photographers on the move. It's lightweight gear that keeps up with your demanding schedule. Our patented magnetic system revolutionizes lighting by allowing you to swap modifiers in seconds. The MagGrip 2 secures tightly to your flash, giving you the freedom to build your ideal setup quickly. This kit is designed to fit nearly every speed light out there, regardless of your preferred flash brand. It offers broad compatibility for working photographers. The MagSphere 2 softens light for flattering skin tones, while the MagGrip 2 precisely focuses your light. It's everything you need to start creating incredible flash photography. What we like. This kit provides the core components for immediate lighting improvement. It offers both diffusion and light control right out of the box, making it ideal for working photographers who need to adapt quickly. If you need a simple, effective way to enhance your flash for events or portraits, this is your go-to. What people say. The MagMod system is incredibly versatile and allows for quick changes to lighting. The MagGrip is a game-changer for attaching modifiers to your flash. The MagSphere creates a beautiful, soft, and even light. Number 3. MagMod MagSphere 2 and MagGrip 2 Bundle. Elevate your flash photography with this complete diffusion kit. It's designed to soften, shape, and control your light for stunning results, both on and off camera. The MagGrip 2 offers a flexible and secure way to attach lighting modifiers. Its powerful magnets allow for instant changes, eliminating the need for clips or adhesives. Transform harsh light into a soft, flattering glow with the MagSphere 2. It's perfect for portraits and events, providing natural-looking illumination in any room. Experience improved performance with a lighter diffuser and a stronger, tighter-fitting mount. These enhancements make long shoots more comfortable and modifier changes quicker. This versatile kit is compatible with nearly all major flash brands. Get professional-level light control right out of the box, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting. What we like. This bundle focuses on creating beautiful, soft light with ease. The MagSphere is perfect for flattering portraits and event lighting in various room sizes. If you prioritize soft, natural-looking light and a streamlined workflow, this is an excellent choice for enhancing your on-camera flash. What people say. The MagMod system is incredibly versatile and allows for quick and easy modification of light. The MagGrip is comfortable to hold and securely attaches to the flash. The MagGrip provides excellent control over light spill, creating a more focused beam. Number 2. MagMod Professional Flash Kit 2. Discover the MagMod Professional Flash Kit 2, your ultimate lighting solution for creating stunning images with ease. This upgraded kit is designed for working photographers who demand superior light control. Experience the next level of flash modification with our newly redesigned magnetic modifiers. They are lighter, faster, and optimized for round-head flashes, ensuring simplicity and confidence in every shot. Transform harsh flash into soft, beautiful light instantly. Our modular system allows you to stack modifiers for customized light control, giving you the power to shape light like a pro. Enjoy lightning fast, secure attachment changes thanks to our patented magnetic modular design. No more noisy Velcro or sticky adhesives, just seamless transitions for your creative workflow. This versatile kit is compatible with nearly all standard flashes, from Canon to Nikon and beyond. It's the perfect lighting companion that grows with your gear, ensuring long-term value. The Professional Flash Kit 2 includes essential magnetic modifiers and pro-correction gels to elevate your photography. It's an indispensable tool for weddings, events, portraits, and more. What we like. This is the ultimate package for photographers seeking advanced light shaping capabilities. It includes a wide array of modifiers and correction gels for precise creative control. If you're a professional or aspiring pro who needs to fine-tune every aspect of your lighting for demanding shoots, this kit offers unparalleled versatility. What people say. The MagMod system is incredibly versatile and allows for quick and easy modification of light. The MagMod grid is fantastic for controlling light spill and creating focused beams. The MagMod gels are a great addition for adding color to your shots without the hassle of traditional gels. Number 1. MagMod MagBounce 2 and MagGrip 2 Bundle. Discover the ultimate lighting solution for working photographers. This bundle combines two powerful tools designed to elevate your flash photography. The MagBounce 2 is engineered to provide incredibly soft light with expansive flash coverage. It dramatically enlarges your flash's apparent size, acting like a pocket-sized softbox for beautiful diffusion without losing output. The MagGrip 2 features a flexible silicone band that securely attaches to your flash. Its innovative magnetic modular system allows for quick and customized lighting setups with a variety of modifiers. Both are redesigned to be smaller and lighter, perfectly optimized for new round-head flash designs. You get all the modifying magic you expect, in a more compact form. Experience the difference of ultra-lightweight gear, especially during long events. You'll barely notice it's there, ensuring comfort without compromising light quality. Forget Velcro and adhesives. The new MagGrip 2 offers silent, lightning-fast modifier changes with a super secure magnetic attachment, making your workflow smoother than ever. What we like. This bundle offers incredible light diffusion in a remarkably compact and lightweight form factor. The MagBounce is perfect for achieving soft, broad illumination without adding significant bulk. If you shoot long events and need a pocketable solution for flattering light that won't weigh you down, this is the ideal option. What people say. The MagMod system is incredibly versatile and allows for quick changes to lighting. The magnetic system for attaching modifiers is very strong and secure. It's a great way to control light and add creative effects to your photos. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.